Imagine an AI that doesn't just write, but thinks, reasons, and feels almost human. Sounds crazy? Well, OpenAI just made it a reality. GPT-5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. Today, we're diving deep into GPT-5, OpenAI's most powerful AI yet. If you thought GPT-4 was impressive, buckle up, because GPT-5 is redefining what we thought AI could do. We're talking about mind-blowing upgrades, real-world impacts, and yes, even the potential dangers. Stick around, because this could change the way we live, work, and even think. Let's start with the basics. What makes GPT-5 different from its predecessor? For starters, it's faster, smarter, and eerily more human-like in conversations. GPT-4 was already capable of complex responses, but GPT-5 takes that to a whole new level. We're talking about AI that can understand context in a way that feels almost intuitive. It doesn't just respond to questions, it remembers previous interactions, making conversations feel natural and continuous. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only knows your schedule, but also remembers your preferences, your style, even your mood. But that's not all. GPT-5 is designed with enhanced multimodal capabilities. That means it doesn't just process text. It understands images, audio, and even video. Picture this. You upload a picture and GPT-5 can describe it, analyze it, and even generate related content. The applications for this are endless, from content creation to advanced diagnostics and healthcare. One of the most talked about features? Emotional intelligence. GPT-5 can detect and respond to emotional cues in text, making it an even more powerful tool for mental health applications, customer service, and personal interactions. So how is GPT-5 being used right now? Let's break it down. In business, companies are leveraging GPT-5 to automate complex tasks like legal documentation, financial analysis, and even strategic planning. Imagine reducing hours of work into mere minutes with near-perfect accuracy. In education, GPT-5 is being used as a personalized tutor. It can adapt to different learning styles, provide instant feedback, and even create custom lesson plans based on a student's progress. Healthcare. GPT-5 is assisting doctors by analyzing patient data, suggesting diagnoses, and even recommending treatment plans, all while ensuring patient confidentiality through advanced encryption. And let's not forget the creative industries. Writers, artists, and musicians are using GPT-5 to generate ideas, draft content, and even compose music. The line between human creativity and machine assistance is getting blurrier by the day. But with all these advancements, there's a flip side. The ethical implications of GPT-5 are massive. We're talking about potential job displacement, privacy concerns, and the risk of AI being used for malicious purposes, like deepfake content or misinformation. OpenAI has implemented safety measures, but can we fully trust that this technology won't be misused? That's the big question. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, we have to ask ourselves, are we in control, or is the technology steering the ship? So what do you think? Is GPT-5 a step towards a better future? Or are we opening Pandora's box? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what you think. And if you're fascinated by the future of AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more groundbreaking tech to explore. See you in the next video.